How to fix we limit how often you can do certain things on Instagram problem. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Make sure you stop the action for a few hours or even 24 to 48 hours. Another thing what you can do is avoid using automation tools and also using third-party apps. Then another thing what you can do is go to your profile, click on three lines, and then scroll down in here, click on log out. Log out from your Instagram account, log back in, and see if it fixes your problem. If it still does not fix your problem, open settings. In settings, click on apps and notifications. After you click on apps and notifications, click on Instagram. Then click on uninstall button in here. After you click on uninstall button, your app will be uninstalled. Then open Play Store, install the Instagram app and try it again. If it still does not fix your problem, go back to app info, click on storage and cache, clear cache at the top and clear storage. After you do this, your problem will be fixed. And if it still does not fix your issue, you can open Instagram, click on your profile, then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. In here, simply scroll down until you find help and click on help. In here, click on report a problem at the top. Then you can simply type in your issue and submit it. Instagram will get back to you within 24 hours and solve your issue. This is how to fix we limit how often you can do certain things on Instagram problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.